Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with Miss Cat's Crafting 2024 ATC trade. And this is from Kelsey. And I'm not sure if Kelsey has a YouTube channel. I have to check into that. So, I got it today. Make sure I'm not showing her address. Alright. Oh, this is cute. Look at it. She's got this love story. She's got this pattern pretty with the pink paper or pink flowers. And then this little heart with an eye and a cupids. And she's got this it's like a peachy. It just looks good together. You wouldn't think, but it does. And then she's got them outlined. Kelsey Lang, KL Digitals. Okay, I'm going to show this so you guys can check out her channel. So she has Lang Designs Squarespace.com/store. KL Digitals. So go check out those KL Digitals. I'm going to have to go do it myself. And she included some goodie stickers. Goodie stickies. I'm going to put them up there. Do I have, let's see if I have space somewhere in this where I could share a page. I don't think so. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to add Kelsey's stickers along here. And I'll like this. And I'm just going to go up. And then I'll go boom. I mean, it's kind of like a glue book anyway, so they can be scattered a little bit. There we go. Then we'll all know that's from Shelly. That's a cool sticker. These, you see this? It's like these. Look at that one too. We're all coming across these cool stickers from Timo or whatever, I believe. I'm going to put that there. And we just go like there. It's so cute. Natural. They're that, natural looking. They're really natural looking flowers. That's what I'm getting at. Speak, Tina. You know you have a voice. Use it. Use your words, Tina. I'm just going to go for Kelsey. And I'm just going to go February 2014 over here. Or February 24. Yep, there goes my words again. Can't use them. Then I'll know that little section is from her. And if I get any, because goodies are not expected in this swap. So, the little stickers, they're cute. So, I got more space if I get just a couple stickers. I can put them right there, and then I have a whole page done. So cute. Let's put hers in the book. She's new in my book. She's the first time I've received from her, which is awesome. Whoops, wrong spot. So we're going to put her, because I got two from Kathy. So where's the other one of Kathy? Kathy, in here. Right here. So I'm going to put hers on the other side of Kathy. Because Kathy sent me two in January. So there we go. So there it is, right there. So pretty. So thank you, Kelsey. I got you down so you'll receive one from me in March. That's how I'm doing it. For every one that I received in February, you will get one in March. So they will go out probably the 1st of March. So thank you guys. Thank you, Kelsey. Thank you, Kathy, for hosting this. It's been fun getting these ATCs. I love making ATCs because it's like a little piece of my art is out in the world somewhere. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Oh, guess what? I forgot her stamp. So I'm just going to glue this stamp right there in the little bunny. Isn't that cute? So I'll glue that on above right there. Yep. So I'll just take this and we'll glue around the stamp. Whoop. Oh. We'll put it right there. Okay. And then I'll just go droop, droop, down. There we go. Cute. So, thank you again, Kelsey. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye for now.